Di Basnyam Bat Penjasliang Rupa Premium Meghalaya Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka kam da ka Mahindra Power Roll India's #1 generator Pinlat ka khuslai lahamiet nishai spare parts bat service ru pinyo klem jing khuslai
Ka Sarkar Jala ha ka santri ujleo araja apsan kalarki ka wall environment day da ka Thung yi Tynrai Dieng ba compare ha ka snong Ummir new Shillong ha ka ni ka program bala pelong da ka tanat penroisor bat ka tanat soil and water conservation la sakhi lang do menteri rangba ka Jala konrat ke sangma balu sumbut menteri rangba ubas nyaw bhalang dhar ki head officer ka Sarkar Jala ki khana school ki dikhot jong self help group ki nong yalam snong bat kwe Palat Hajar tuli kita Tynrai Dieng cherry blossom Jacaranda bat gul Mohor la Thung hakani kesngi. Menteri rangba habakran hakani kesngi ula kunturu iki pajba bakin penon kam ya ki pla khnang bat penduna ya ki jing penon kam ya ki plastik bat ru banyada ya ki khendau. Ulai thuru halor ki jing job ba haba pentri kam ya ki payment for ecosystem services scheme. Kabatar wajing harap pisah ki nokshok slong ki basuma sukher ba ki ba anglut man penjer ngambiang ya ki klau ki betap.
Arambashnong from Nongram Hills was mentioning that different traditional heads, religious heads have different kind of forest areas which are protected and they're kept as sacred groves. So in line with what is being done as part of our culture and tradition, we started what we call the payment for ecosystem services, and it's in a way very similar to what a sacred grove is, except that the sacred grove, it is sacred, whereas in the PES we incentivize the villagers to preserve these forests, and in return for preserving it we give financial benefits to make up for the livelihood loss that they may have by not being able to use the forest products. So it was a very simple program. We mobilized different resources, and I'm very happy that in the last 3 to 4 years, with a very, very strong team of officials, we were able to preserve, conserve and protect over 50,000 hectares of existing forests, which means we motivated and convinced villagers, some of them who you saw just now, to not deplete the forest, to not cut the trees, to not use the forest resources, but to protect it. And we partnered with the community, we supported them, and we managed to successfully protect 52,000+ hectares. And now our target under the Green Plus Meghalaya program is to protect 1 lakh hectares. So efforts are on. We are doing as much as is possible because we have resource constraints, we have challenges, but we are working very, very dedicatedly in order for us to be able to protect the forests that we have and enhance the forest cover as far as possible. But as mentioned by all the people who have spoken before me, this is not just a government program. It's not just a government task. We all have to work together. We all have to play our role. We all have to commit ourselves. And that's the reason why when this program was fixed for today, I was very, very particular with the team that it will not be a program where just our government officials and ministers will come and plant the trees. I mentioned to them that I want our community to be there. I want our students to be there. I want different institutions to be there. And yes, I want different wings of the government to be there. Because unless we don't involve them, we don't make them realize that this is a participatory movement, we will not be able to overcome the challenges that we have.